Okay. Now tell me, Vimal, how was this welcome call with?
It's just awesome, just awesome. I have attended lots of workshop and webinar, online and offline also. But this is the first call that that is uh, it's a really awesome, and it's a full depth information from the beginning beginning to advanced level, how to start your journey in online marketing, and what are have to key skill, what you have to thinking to earn money, like that.
Okay. Now, can you tell me three things that you understood from this welcome call?
First, about the ideas about the online marketing, how what are needs for a start as a affiliate marketer or online marketer to earn money, and what are the infrastructure, virtual infrastructure you need to know to start your journey, online marketing journey, as well as the what are the key skills
Mhm.
required to start your journey.
Basic key skills. What is the second thing?
Second thing about the funnels, it's the most important things to start your online marketing journey.
Mhm. On the second thing is I learn is the understanding of funnels and how to and different kinds of funnels that can generate up to 1,40,000 rupees, up to
Right, sir.
1 lakh 1,40,000 1,40,000 rupees per week, right?
Right.
Awesome. And what is the third thing that you understood?
And the what are the required key skills and key sets?
What required key skills and key sets? Awesome.
Right.
Apart from that, do you think you will fail with my coaching program? Do you think there's any possibility of failing in my coaching
See,
program?
see, sir, any coach or any training only give you the right direction
Mhm.
and implementation strategy, and as well as the latest tools and latest techniques and latest technology that are used to current online marketing journey. But it's all depends on the hard working as well as the coach guidance. That will matter.
So based on how I have structured my whole mentorship thing, right? Do you think you will ever miss a single step?
uh, from beginning to end of the post calls, I think it's a lots of information, and most important thing is that it is a strategically and strategized process, one by one process, and I think, and I am 100% hopeful. Hopefully I will get success with my coach.
Awesome. See, everything is designed. I have done 4,000 one-on-one calls. So I
Right.
have improved my coaching to the best and the best, right? So I have in this one single call, I explained you from A to Z, how you will make money, what would be the process, what are the structures, right? So you
Right, sir.
have the complete idea from A to Z in your mind now. You're no more clueless, right?
Right.
So it's impossible for you to fail. Got the point? It's impossible for
Got
you
it,
to
sir.
fail. You just have to follow along and listen to me, and be able to build those 6 packs in the internet marketing world. By 6 packs, I mean you will get your first results. Okay, all my
Right.
students do. Okay, so thank you for being so attentive, and I think and thank you for giving this amazing testimonial, guys. If you're watching this testimonial on YouTube or anywhere, make sure you click the link, or make sure you in the description, or send me a direct message if you want to get into my one-on-one mentorship program. Do you want to say anything to the audience who might be watching this as a video about my coaching?
I have into digital marketing industry last 5 to 6 years, and this in this duration I've attended lots of workshop and webinar on the digital marketing, affiliate marketing. But it's in my experience, and it's the first
How many years of experience?
6 years.
In 6 years of experience, yes, please continue.
Yeah. So I have found the first welcome call that is the very informative. It's the most important thing is the very organized and strategically completely 100%.
Awesome. So that means you highly recommend my mentorship to everyone.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
I will recommend 200% for everyone.
Awesome.
If anybody want to join and start their online journey, then must go with you, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you for giving this feedback to and thank you for giving your time. And everybody will be able to see Vimal's success for sale very soon. Take care. And this is where I would like to stop.